This is how to buy Audible books with credits in 2024. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to do this on your phone and your computer in that order. It's very easy to do. Here's how to do it on your smartphone. Step 1, find the book under search. You can find the search bar in the upper right. Just tap on the little magnifying glass. And step 2 is tap on the book and then tap plus buy for 1 credit, and then just take it from there. Here's how to do it on your computer. Step 1, find the book you want under find your next great listen, which basically means search. And step 2, click on the book and click buy for 1 credit and then take it from there. When I say go from there, obviously, it'll take you to a page where you confirm the purchase. A couple recommendations from here for anybody wondering how credits work. I did a video about how credits work in 2024 as well. As far as what I've been doing, I made a ton of videos last year about Audible, but I'm making new versions of them for this year because they have changed the layout of the app, certain features, prices, and stuff like that, and I just don't want that to become outdated information. You ever look up a tutorial or something and it's on an app and the video came out like 6 years ago and you're like, dude, this doesn't even look the same. What is that? I don't want that, okay? I'll do this every year if I have to, and I'll make more videos if I need to just so that I can keep up to date. If you already have Audible or you just want more of an idea of what it is and how it works and credits and memberships and just a walkthrough of the app itself, I did an amazing video going over all of that, and I'll drop a link to that in the description too. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. Most of my videos are book reviews and those are like 10-15 minutes each. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on the notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere, and I will see you then.